weekly youth and children's activities are taking a break now until the new year, and they'll be back from the week commencing the 6th of January. If you've got kids who come along to Kid Shape or to GeForce, then we invite them to join us for our Kids Christmas Party, which is taking place on the 21st of December. That's a Saturday, and it's going to start at 11 a.m. You can pick up a letter and give us your details, or you can sign up on Exchange or the website as well. Please make sure you do those so we can know what McDonald's to order them, and there's going to be games and fun, and there's going to be a visit from Santa as well. So please sign your children up and get them along to our Christmas party.
See what love has done. He has come for us. He's the saving one.
There's still a few days for you to come and visit Santa in his grotto here at Excel Church. So Monday to Wednesday this week, we're going to be opening from 3:30 till 7. Please come along if you haven't been already. Then we'd love to invite you next Sunday. We're really excited for Are You Being Served, which is our Christmas special at the different times of 10:30 a.m. and 1 p.m. So make sure you come along to that. It will be awesome fun. And then we'd love to invite you back on Christmas Eve for our Christmas fest. Now, there's going to be no parking on the church site that evening, but we have got use of car parking spaces at Bilston C.V. School and also at Bilston Resource Centre, and we're offering a free park and ride shuttle service from those sites. So please come along to that, and then join us on Christmas morning at 10:30 a.m. for a short Christmas celebration here at Excel Church.
See what love has done. He has come for us. He's the saving one.
Just before we go, remember to pick up your flyers for Christmas at Excel, hand them out to all your friends and family, get them along, and remind yourself as well what time things are happening. And also, the Sunday between Christmas and New Year, that's the 29th, there will only be one service here, and that will be at 9:30 a.m. We hope you can join us for that, and we hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back really soon for more Excel News.